I was using blend shapes inside of Blender, pulling them into Unity and trying to use them. But while it worked for this state, there was another state that, this last one, that look at that. That is absolutely not what I intended. And someone asked me if I ever figured out what went wrong here. So yes, I did, but I don't know if I'm right as to the reasons why. When Blender is creating these blend shapes, it's actually storing the index of which vertex it's modifying. So when I pull this file back up inside of Blender and I run the same animations, they work. Inside of Unity, what seems to happen is on the import stage, it is compressing information by taking duplicated vertices and putting them in the same spots, which would effectively destroy this because we have multiple animations or basically LERP functions that are saying, hey, this needs to be pulled off into that direction. Whatever the case is, solving it had to do with making sure that each one of the different vertices on the model are actually never overlapping at the beginning or end of a blend shape. So in a lot of cases with this building to kind of expand from a box, now it overlaps perfectly with another corner. So the solution was to make sure that they are just slightly off. Suddenly all of the blend shapes worked and I didn't run into that issue anymore. I don't remember any streamlined solution. I hope you found this useful.